Brainstorming seems easy until you actually sit down to do it and your mind goes blank. Whether you're building products, planning campaigns, or researching something complex, staring at a blank page slows everyone down. That's where AI flips the script. Tools like ClickUp Brain, which is the world's most complete work AI, turn brainstorming from blank page struggle into on-demand creativity. Pair the right prompts with the right workspace, and you can move from scattered thinking to sharp, actionable ideas almost instantly. And in this video, we're breaking down 8 real fields, from product to law, to show you exactly how AI helps you brainstorm faster and smarter without hitting a creative wall. Let's start with product development. When your product roadmap starts feeling repetitive, AI can reveal what you're missing. Bring interviews, support tickets, and reviews into a ClickUp Doc and ask ClickUp Brain, what are users struggling with? Brain instantly surfaces patterns across reviews, behaviors, and pain points, giving you clarity on unmet needs and new feature opportunities. Next, let's look at marketing campaigns, where audience values shift, conversations move fast, and the emotional triggers that worked last quarter often fall flat. So before drafting messaging or planning a campaign, add comments, reviews, and screenshots from your audience into a ClickUp Doc and ask ClickUp Brain about what your audience cares about the most. Brain instantly pulls out emotions, objections, and desires, and you start seeing the emotional angles worth building a campaign around, the ones your audience is already primed to respond to. Now let's talk about content creation. Most creators aren't stuck because they lack creativity. They're stuck because they're guessing what their audience cares about, what's trending, and what format will land. So what's the solution? Get your past posts, audience questions, and competitor ideas into one clean, organized space. Once you're done, ask ClickUp Brain what you should be creating next. It gives you the themes that are rising, the angles that keep showing up, the questions people keep asking, and the formats that get the most engagement in that niche. Next is customer research. When engagement drops or churn rises, it's often unclear why. Sales numbers say one thing. Foot traffic patterns say another. Competitors keep shifting strategy. But if you bring all those call notes, tags, and support messages into a ClickUp Doc and ask ClickUp Brain about the themes that keep repeating, it surfaces patterns you might have missed, like confusing onboarding or missing features. And there you are, no longer throwing ideas at a vague problem. Instead, you're generating solutions targeted at a specific customer need, with evidence behind every decision. Now let's move into design thinking. Design challenges usually hide in the places users never articulate. They click around, hesitate, backtrack, drop off, and you're left trying to guess what actually confused them. Well, pull in your recordings, heat maps, reviews, whatever signals you already have, and ask ClickUp Brain what users are struggling with. Brain comes back with the patterns you'd normally find only after hours of digging. Things like confusing entry points, hidden actions, long steps, or areas where people consistently give up. Next up, event planning. And yes, AI can make this part of your job a whole lot easier. Offsites usually start with many ideas but no clear direction. Everyone has opinions, survey responses are all over the place, and past event feedback sits in 3 different folders that nobody has time to review, so you end up guessing and hoping the team likes whatever you put together. AI makes this much easier. Organize past agendas and team feedback into a simple event planning template in ClickUp and ask ClickUp Brain what worked and what didn't. Brain pulls everything together and shows you what actually resonated, the activities people loved, the formats they tuned out of, and the moments different personality types connected with. Once those patterns are clear, planning stops feeling like guesswork. Now, let's move to scientific research. This is one of the toughest fields to brainstorm in, simply because the volume of information is overwhelming. You can pull in your research papers, literature reviews, experimental notes, and environmental data into a ClickUp Doc and ask ClickUp Brain to identify emerging trends and gaps in current research. Brain highlights where research is heating up, where knowledge is thin, and where the data hints at something worth exploring, the kind of hidden doorway insights researchers usually stumble upon after weeks of reading. And finally, financial planning. Rows of numbers rarely make the next steps obvious. You're juggling statements, past expenses, a mix of investments, and whatever the economy is doing that month. Start by dropping your income, expenses, and goals into a simple finance management template in ClickUp. Then ask ClickUp Brain what financial patterns or opportunities stand out based on your recent data. Suddenly, the conversation shifts from "I should save more" 2, here's where the money is leaking, here's what's underinvested, and here's what could grow if I redirect even a little. It helps you map out better decisions, clearer priorities, and strategies that actually fit your lifestyle. So those were 8 completely different fields, all showing the same thing. When AI joins your brainstorming process, you stop guessing and start creating with clarity. And when you do that inside a workspace that's built for thinking and doing, everything moves faster. ClickUp gives you that mix: instant answers, research summaries, idea prompts, and contextual insights, all sitting on top of whiteboards, mind maps, docs, and tasks. Sign up for free today on ClickUp.com and start brainstorming.